The new Surface Pro in 12 inches, and there's a new Surface Pro keyboard in 12 inches. Let's unbox them both and see what you get inside the boxes. So first up, the thing that you will notice with this compared to previous Surface Pro boxes is that this is now much smaller than they used to be. This box is about half the size of the previous packaging, meaning that there's less cardboard used in this. So as far as sustainability goes, this is a good thing. It's also, like the previous Surface Pro, completely cardboard. There's no plastic on this box at all. You've got this pull tab just here to open the device. So if I start by ripping this straight off, that's nice and simple. I could have done that one-handed. I'm also just going to open the box and look how simple that is. First thing we notice as we've opened this box is just here, the camera has moved. So it's now in the top corner. We also have this ridge here, which is a matte finish, and it's a slightly different color to the rest of the body. If I pull this tab just here, the Pro just comes up nice and easily. And if I flick it over, you've got the cover on the screen to protect it. Now this instantly, straight off, it's light. It's lighter than what the previous Surface Pro was. And as you can see, as we look at this, it's really sleek and smooth. You've got those really nice rounded edges as well. And then you have this little ridge here just for the kickstand, like so, and it will stand up. Pop that just to the side for a second. And then just inside the rest of the box here, you've got a little pull-out piece of cardboard which has all of your instructions inside, all your warranty information as well. You might notice from right here, there's no charger in the box. That instantly tells us straight away that this device charges via USB-C. Now, USB-C is quite a common connection now, and I quite like the fact that they've just supplied me with a nice, robust cable. It allows me to carry less chargers with me, and I can just take a cable. Let's shut that box up and move it out the way, because that's it. That's all that's in the box. If we start by pulling this off just here, we can actually see the device. So that's Surface Pro as you would know it. And it looks absolutely stunning. Now this color here is the platinum. There are other colors available, which we will go through in more detail in the overview that is to follow. And I'm going to get on to the new accessory, the Surface Pro keyboard. Now this comes with two options. You have the Surface Pro 12-inch on its own, or you have this version, which is the Surface Pro 12-inch with slim pen. And it comes in colors that match the new Surface Pro. But again, those colors we'll get into in the overview. This color we've got here is platinum, so the keyboard that I have is to match this device. Now flip this over, and again, with that all cardboard packaging, there's no plastic. So we have that same pull tab just here, just to remove. And then if we open that up, right there, we have the new keyboard. And instantly, the new keyboard looks a little bit different. You no longer have that charger for the slim pen 2. We do have a nice Alcantara back for the keyboard cover, and you've still got that really big trackpad that you're used to with the Surface Pro keyboards. Now, as far as this goes, it seems very, very similar to the previous generation of keyboard for the Surface Pro. The thing I noticed straight away here is the connector is different for this device. And straight away there, if we just, oh, that's really nice. You don't have to pick up the device to put the type cover on. And then in the box for this one, underneath your warranty instructions and how to connect your device, you have a Slim Pen 2. So this now comes with the Slim Pen 2. And to charge it and to connect it, you simply just pop it onto the back. So that ridge at the front's gone, and now you have a new, sleek, sparkly, complete package. If you would like to know a little bit more about this device in more detail, do stay tuned for the overview and let us know in the comments below what you think of the new Surface Pro in 12 inches. And I will see you soon for another video. Ciao.